Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an arc-shaped mask on CapCut PC. So I'll just be using this video here, and I'll place another one underneath so you guys can see later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one first, and I'm going to select mask, and I'll select the rectangle. I'm just going to reverse that, and I'm going to attempt to create like an arc shaped here. Right click, create compound clip. You can also feather it out a little bit if you'd like to. Maybe like 2%. Right click, create compound clip. Where is that? Then select circle and then reverse that again and create the arc shape here. If you want to feather it out again. And that's it. If you'd like to, you can also add in a shadow. I'm struggling to say that. Okay, I'll add this like black background here and I'll freeze frame it. And I'll select rectangle and reverse that. And I'm just going to feather it out. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.